Hello friends, in this video we are going to compare Tecno Povo Neo 5G versus Vivo Y21T in detailing. We also given details about other important competitor phone at same price segment in the end, so let's compare. Now let's talk about the highlight of both the phones, then we are going to deep comparison. First we talk about the most important part of phone hardware. First of all, seen the detail about CPU. Talking about GPU then, Mali G57 MHz 2 is available in Neo 5G and Adreno 610 is available in Y21T. If we talk about chipset then, MediaTek Dimensity 810 MT6833 is available in Neo 5G and Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 is available in Y21T. RAM is same in both phone, which is 4GB. Internal memory same in both phone, which is 128GB. Expandable memory in both phones, up to 1TB. Operating system in Neo 5G Android V12 and in Y21T it's Android V11. Here is the complete details about battery. Let's see the information about display. Both phone have a same IPS LCD display. Display size Neo 5G have 6.8 inches and Y21T have 6.58 inches. Aspect ratio same in both phones, and it's 20:9. Display resolution in Neo 5G 1080 by 2460 and in Y21T there will be 1080 by 2408 we can see. Screen to body ratio, Neo 5G have 82.65% while Y21T it will be 83.76%. Refresh rate in Neo 5G it will be 120Hz and Y21T it's 90Hz. If we talk about PPI density, then Neo 5G have 395 pixels per inch and in Y21T there will be 401 pixels per inch. Let's talk about brightness then in Neo 5G it's 500 nits and in Y21T it's 401 nits. Here is the complete detail of body of both phones. Let's see the detail about our favorite features camera. Friends, first of all talk about rear camera, then we can see two camera in Neo 5G which is primary camera and finally QVGA, and in Y21T we can see three camera which is primary camera, macro camera and finally depth camera. If we talk about video camera, then in both the phones 7 different types of features are available. Now let's talk about the front selfie camera, then in Neo 5G have single camera can be seen which have 3 different features are available. And in Y21T have also single camera can be seen which have 2 features are available. Now, we check the detail about dimensions. Talking about the length of both the phones. Neo 5G have 6.72 inch and in Y21T it's 6.46 inch which is less than Neo 5G. Width. In Neo 5G have 3.07 inch and Y21T it's 2.99 inch which are less than Neo 5G. Let's see the secondary features of both phones. There are 2 colors option available in both phones. Here is the detail about network, Bluetooth, GPS and Wi-Fi. Friends, now let's talk about pros and cons then. Tecno Povo Neo 5G have 8 pros and 1 cons, and if we talk about Vivo Y21T then we can see 8 pros and 4 cons. Finally talking about price then. Neo 5G in 4GB RAM 128GB storage at 15,499 rupees, and if we talk about Y21T then it is in 4GB RAM 128GB storage at 16,300 rupees. Finally, talking about result then. In performance both phone are same. In display both phone are same. In main camera both phone are same. In front, selfie camera both phone are same. If you like our video then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.